Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of November 2nd through the 8th. Crazy that we are already to November. But I am using this kit that's just called November by Organized Potato. I think it's super cute. I like the little bits of like kawaii characters in here. Overall super cutesy. So if you remember a few weeks ago, I used an Organized Potato kit right here. So I'm going to probably set it up very similar, but there's like these gaps here at the bottom. So I think I'm going to shift everything down a little bit. So today, instead of doing all my basics first, like I usually do, I think I'm going to actually put in my full boxes first. And then I will do the rest of the setup around that. So to go with all of this, I pulled these two washies. This one's from Michael's, and then this one's from AliExpress. So these will be my bottom washies to go with this. So for the full boxes, my plan is to use this one that says Hello November as my quote box. That was like so not straight. There, that looks pretty good. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. Then there are 4 with quotes and 4 with not. I'm going to stick the extra box down here at the bottom. I'm trying to decide if I want to put like the 4 quotes across or stick the other one down here as well. I think I'm going to stick the extra one down at the bottom. So I'm going to stick this one that says fall as my box on Thursday. Hopefully I can get this like reasonably straight. So bad at placing boxes. Also not that good at cutting them. So we're just gonna do our best. Alright, that looks cute. Then I think I'm gonna put the coffee time one down in the bottom. So I'm gonna use the Think Happy and the Fall is Swirling in the Air boxes for Tuesday and Thursday. I think I'm going to stick it so that this one goes on Tuesday. And by Thursday, I mean Saturday, of course. Because I feel like this Think Happy one kind of has the same vibes as the quote box. Alright, there we go. Then, I think I'm going to stick, just get rid of those creepy scraps. I'm going to pair up the 2 like cutesy ones. I think I'm going to stick them it goes better this way. Like so. And then I'm going to use this one, which I'm not 100% sure cut straight. And this one is the last 2. I guess we'll put it this way. I was always spending too much time thinking about the full box. Yeah, definitely didn't cut that straight. It's fine. Alright, so there's my full boxes. So definitely not normal to start out that way. My plan is to stick the todays along the top, the to-dos right here with the checklists. And then these couple of blank headers I'm just going to use as extras, and then I'm going to stick the hydrates on each day as well. So I'm going to do those things plus the bottom washi, and then I will be back. All right, there is all the base set up. I love it. I think it's super cute. I don't mind the little flags hanging down. I feel like that works much better to not waste that space so that all the check boxes fit really well over like having it raised and kind of waste a little bit of space. I have like a little scrubby scrap there. All right, so for the sidebar, my plan is to use this full box. I plan to use 2 habit trackers. One is going to be for Instagram, just like always, and then the other one I think I'm going to use for self-care. And that's really all I need in the sidebar. So I'm going to take this long strip down here and stick it in. It's kind of like a divider. This is why I wasn't sure that I wanted, like, see this box here, but I think with the scale being so different, it won't really be an issue. There we go. I'm just going to stick that to my arm too. It's a little out of control, but it's fine. I'm going to stick in the reddish habit tracker and the yellowish habit tracker. And then some more of this washi. Trying to like hold it up. That's a pretty good straight line, I feel like. Okay. Then stick in this full box, and then down here, this is not gonna fit. It's like, it would cover up a little bit. So I'm gonna use this guy. I think this will fit. Perfect. So there's my sidebar, all done. I didn't like really throw any icons in, but I think that'll be fine. All right, for the week, not a ton going on, but I'm gonna pull this leftover from a old Planner One Love kit for this like extra flag die. And then I'm going to use these 4 flags, and then these will mark work. So my goal is to make it so, I guess I should flip this back open. None of the colors match. Also want to use this one here because I think it'll make things fit on Tuesday a little bit better because it's a little bit smaller. I guess I'll stick. There we go. All right, so that marks work for all the days. Nothing else really going on Monday. I need to do my plan with me. I don't know if I'm going to put it down here or up here. What did I do last time? I ended up putting it down here, but I had less space up here. Sure, we can stick it up here. So I'm just going to stick this like quarter box because the half box is not going to fit. Maybe this like small acorn. There we go. That can be for my plan with me. Tuesday is election day. I've already voted, but still important to mark. I have this happy planner sticker, just like I've been using for like all the rest of the holidays. And I'm just gonna take another one of these acorns to mark election day. There we go. Wednesday, Mass Singers on. I don't know if I'm gonna mark that though. Thursday, nothing. Friday is my grandma's birthday. And these half boxes don't fit. So why did we get half boxes? I don't know. They're too tall. I can fit half boxes here and here, but I'm gonna have one left over that just doesn't fit. But I'm just gonna use the last acorn. She really likes fall, so I feel like this is very appropriate. I'm gonna mark that there. Weekend. Don't really know what's going on. I guess I will just take these two full boxes. I'm gonna save the one with the acorns because that seems like the most versatile of them. Alright, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. It is so cute, so fall-like. Definitely happy with it. If I don't mention anything, it comes from the kit from Organized Potato. There's a little bit of leftovers, a couple habit trackers, a half box, and a few washi strips. That goes into my leftovers. This bottom washi comes from AliExpress. This one is from Michaels. The Election Day sticker comes from the Happy Planner, and that's really it. Otherwise, I just really embraced the kit and just put things there. So I think it turned out really cute. As always, please like and subscribe below. Let me know what kits you're using for December and January. Definitely need to get planning on that. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life with Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye!